Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you VStores 360 review. So what actually is VStores 360? Guys, VStores 360 is a one-click AI powered app auto creates interactive virtual tours and e-commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. Creator of this software is VStores 360 Venkataramana. Who is Venkataramana? Guys, Venkataramana is a top 10% vendor on Warrior Plus Marketplace. He launched lots of software successfully on Warrior Plus Marketplace. He is a legit guy. Okay. And this software VStores 360 goes live on 12th of September 11 AM EST. Guys, right now I'm in the sales page of the software VStores 360. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software VStores 360. I'm going to show you also quick demo. This is the members area. I'm just logging in and I'm going to show you the full demo. So stay tuned. Don't skip this video, guys. I highly recommend don't skip this video before watching demo. Here is you can see lots of info for the vendor about this software VStores 360. Okay. Here is you can see lots of information for the vendor about this software VStores 360. Okay, if you want more money, if you want more income, this software will send you live, believe me. And this is the ultimate interactive virtual tour and store builder to help you skyrocket profits at the lowest on-time cost. Guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. You can see this is the virtual tours images. Okay, and also the demo, official demo here on the sales page. Okay, you can see lots of info. I'm going to show you the details, guys. I'm going to show you everything about this software. And if you want to make money to just sell your service on freelance marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork and Guru.com, you can also do that. Okay guys, I'm just going to jump on my blog Passive Money University. This is my blog. I wrote the full review about this software VStores 360. Here is you can see all those information about this software. So what is VStores 360 all about? VStores 360 works 3 simple steps. You can see, guys, this is the major information I put on my blog that you need to know about this software VStores 360. I also put the complete product overview of VStores 360 is here, and I also put that the demo, official demo is here, so you have no problem. Here is VStores 360 features, and VStores 360 will work for everyone. VStores 360 pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you, guys. This information I'm going to show you all the OTOs of this software and also front-end offer and the frequent asked questions about this software VStores 360. This is very much important. And here is the bonuses that will provided the vendor will give you this 5th bonus, and these have exclusive $3,745 bonuses if you purchase this software through via link. Guys, honestly speaking, this is my honest review. If you purchase this software through my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. This commission help me create free valuable videos like this. Here is my $3,745 exclusive bonuses. You can see here. Here is all of my bonus that I personally use, all of my online businesses. Here is also my special bonus. I'm going to show you end of the video, guys, how to build a profitable email list. I'm going to show you also all the secret. Here is, guys, you can see how to claim your bonuses. Just 2 simple steps to claim your bonus. Okay, and 30-day also money back guarantee, and this is me. So you have no problem to purchase it, guys. This is a legit software. I'm going to show you also demo, then you will be fully understand. Right now I'm just going to introduce what is VStores all about, 360 all about. Guys, VStores 360 is AI powered software that creates interactive virtual tours for business and e-commerce stores with built-in live calls and chat. I'm going to show you everything, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, here is lots of info you can see here that will help you to understand this software. And right now I'm just going to introduce VStores 360 complete product overview. Then I'm going to show you quick demo. The product name is VStores 360, vendor's name is Venkata Ramana. Launch date is 12th of September 11 AM EST. This is the official website link of the software, and here is the price. The product price only $17, and bonuses $3,745 bonus, and 30-day also money back guarantee, guys, so you have got nothing to lose. So guys, right now I'm just going to jump the members area, then I'm going to show you all other information that I put here on my blog. Here you can see. Right now I'm going to show you the official demo, guys, about this demo created by the software owner Venkata Ramana. He explained well, that's why I shared this demo, so stay tuned. And addition, please, you'll be fully understand about this software after watch the demo. So let's see it.
Hey my friends, welcome to VStores 360, the one-click AI-powered app which makes any business metaverse ready in less than 60 seconds. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Step 1, get access. Getting access to VStores 360 is as simple as clicking on the button below this video and buying access to VStores 360 at the extremely discounted price only available today, and accessing the application after purchase in just seconds. Step 2. Auto-create your virtual tour e-com store with just a click. VStores 360 lets you create virtual tours in 3 different ways. The first way is by using the Tour Creation Wizard, which will guide you in every step of the process and get your virtual tour created in just a few minutes. The second way is by doing it the regular way, which is creating your virtual tour, creating the rooms, creating the markers, and creating the POIs. And the third way is how you can auto-create a virtual tour e-com store with just a click. You do that by adding your virtual tour name, adding your name here, checking on this option here, and clicking on Create. And VStores 360 will set up a virtual tour e-com store ready to showcase to your clients with just a click in seconds. This is the fastest way to create a shocking, professionally looking virtual tour, which you can use as the perfect sample virtual tour to start getting clients, so you can create them a virtual tour for their businesses. Let's take a look at it. This looks just terrific, don't you think? Step number 3, sell and profit while interacting with customers via video chat. What's even cooler about VStores 360 is the ability to sell and profit while interacting with customers via video chat. You just need to start a live session. Share this link with your potential buyer to invite him to join you in the live session, and communicate with him via a live video call, as well as with the chat feature here. This is just terrific, don't you think? But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Besides creating rooms as well as connecting the rooms with each other, which is what you do with markers, you can also add all types of engaging elements inside your rooms with POIs, which stands for points of interest. Here you can add all types of engaging elements which will make visitors to take action. You can add a link to send people to your website. You can add a form to collect leads. And you can even add products to make people buy. Besides this, you can add maps so people can navigate through your virtual tour. Here's where you add the products people will be able to buy. The info box, which lets you showcase anything you want in there, and you can edit it by using a professional page editor. You can even add a photo slider or video slideshow to your virtual tour, as well as manage icon, media, and music libraries. And for publishing your virtual tour, VStore 360 gives you total freedom by letting you password protect your virtual tour, adding expiring dates, adding meta tags to your virtual tour self-hosted page, giving you the ability to share your virtual tour with this URL right here, which you can share to your social accounts in one click and even be able to create a friendly link. You can even embed your virtual tour anywhere online. You can even create a personalized landing page which you can customize right here by using our easy to manage and professional editor, and be able to enjoy the meta tags, the sharing, the social sharing, the friendly URL, and the embedding features for the landing page as well. But we went even farther and given you the chance to connect your WordPress website right here, and even be able to post content to it as much as you want by using this awesome, easy to use poster, which will save you a ton of the work related to posting. Finally, here you can download the leads you collect inside your virtual tours. And here you can preview your virtual tours without leaving the dashboard. As you can see, the profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step-by-step how to make money with VStores 360 the quick and easy way as a 360 virtual store building agency. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to be the first to offer a unique service, leverage the metaverse revolution and tap into this $47.48 billion US industry the fastest and easiest way ever, then try VStores 360 today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about the software VStores 360. Guys, you have no problem. They will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video tutorials inside the members area. Okay, and you can see here is the VStores 360 pacers. You can also check out all those pacers before purchase this software. Okay, and here is VStores 360 will work for everyone. VStores 360 pricing and OTOs. The front-end price only $17. The majority person will show you the front-end price only. Guys, I'm going to show you everything about the software VStores 360. This is my honest review. Okay, and the OTO number 1 is $39. What you will get if you purchase this OTO number 1, you can see everything is here. And OTO number 2 VStores advanced price is $39 only. Guys, the software is very high quality but price is very low. Keep in mind, this is the one-time payment, no monthly or recurring fees available here. Okay, this is the only one-time payment system. And VStores 360 done for you OTO $127 only. The team VStores 360 team will work for you everything, guys. Okay, and they will set up you can see here the team set up stunning interactive stores for you. And VStores 360 automation OTO number 4, the price is $37. And VStores 360 multiple streams of income OTO number 5, $47, only $47. Okay, VStores 360 bundle OTO 6, $39. Get VIP access to a V4 top selling software inside a bundle at a massive 96.7% discount. VStores 360 frequent last questions. Before purchase, you can also check out all of this. Is this beginner friendly? Absolutely yes. What is monthly cost of VStores 360? They are not charging a monthly recurring fee. to members who are joining team right now during this special launch period. But once this period ends, all new members joining after the launch has ended would be required to pay $97 per month and $997 per year to get access to VStores 360. Is training and support included? Absolutely yes. The team is at your disposal for anything that you might need. Okay guys, here is the VStores 360 bonus package. This is the vendor bonus. Vendor will give you this 5th bonus. I'm going to show you all those bonuses, the sales page. Okay, and these are my exclusive $3,745 bonuses. This is my 3rd exclusive bonus, and I will also give you my special bonuses of top 21 high quality PLR ebooks that you can resell and keep 100% rebrand and resell and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, and guys, I highly recommend just to give away these ebooks and build a profitable email list. Okay, and how to claim your bonus? Just 2 simple steps to claim your bonuses is here. And if you have any problem in receiving your bonus, you can email us guys. Our email is here. I will send you bonus, and also 30-day money back guarantee this software, so you have got nothing to lose actually. Right now I'm just going to jump the sales page, and this is the sales page. You can see 30-day money back guarantee, $17 on ons, and use forever. The front end offer. Also this software have lots of OTOs. You can see all those OTOs on my blog. Okay guys, you can see lots of testimonial. There are users, there are real users. They share their experience about the software VStores 360. So if you want to really make money, make more money from online, you can also use this software VStores 360. And if you want to just sell your service on freelance marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork or Guru.com, you can also do this. Okay guys, and this is a technology for 2025 available for only you today. Okay, and the software have powerful features, and also the demo is here. Okay, this is the risk free guys, 30-day money back guarantee. And you can see guys here, take a look at the kind of money freelancers or agencies are searching for such virtual tours and stores. I will develop metaverse virtual tour for your business on $1,000. I will create virtual tour admin system for website for 360 photos, $3,500, $1,385, $5,000. This is the Upwork information. So you can also make money doing this. And this is the bonuses, the vendor bonus. Vendor will give you this 5th bonus. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, 300 for the accelerator. Bonus number 3, free traffic machine. Bonus number 4, online store word profitable niches. Bonus number 5, the final bonus 3K in 24-hour blueprint. Guys, sorry for this sound problem. I hope this video will help you. This video will send you live because this is the software that you can use your product, your campaigns, and also you can sell your service on freelance marketplace. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to generate sales from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Sorry for this sound problem.